when we're doing AvaDent denture, number one, it is predictable, so we know exactly what we're going to get back. And very often we can do a denture, do the records in one appointment and deliver at the next appointment. That again is just completely unheard of in the old way of doing things. It's just that predictable, and so that's tremendous savings for us. And again, we can see more patients, we can get more chair time freed up, but also it's great for the patients. We have yet to have a patient to come back and say, "What, you mean I don't have to come back for 5 appointments? Was this crazy?" You know, they're not complaining about that. They like being able to get impressions, get a denture the very next appointment. Occasionally, if we have a patient that needs it, we can do try-ins. But again, that process is so streamlined and so much better. I think the biggest savings of chair time is post-operatively. When we bring patients back for adjustments, they're non-existent because it's so accurate. What we're getting back from AvaDent is so accurate that at the post-operative appointments that we always schedule, because we don't want to leave our patients out there suffering with a sore spot or something like that. I so often have had patients come back in and say, "Yeah, I wouldn't have even come back in except I already had the appointment set up. I've got a little spot here, let's just take that down." But they're non-existent. Used to, we would spend 30 minutes, at an appointment post-operatively doing adjustments and stuff like that. It just doesn't happen. I mean, it is great. Again, great for the patients, great for us. It's a win-win.